Alright guys, welcome to another episode of How To with the Caribbean Gaffer, powered by 13 Degrees North Productions and 13 Degrees North Rentals. We are gear for you. Now in today's episode, we are going to be looking at flags again, but this time in the 4x4 range. That is 4 feet by 4 feet. Before we spoke about the 2x3, which was 2 feet by 3 feet, but now in today's episode, we'll be looking at the 4x4. Now, 4 feet by 4 feet. These can also come in 40 by 40 as well. Those will fit directly into the back of any vehicle. But today, this is 48 inches by 48 inches. 4 feet by 4 feet. Now flags, as was previously mentioned in another episode, is used to cut light, reduce light, create shadows, remove light off of certain areas in your shot where you don't want it, but those are solid flags. Now remember, you could have flags that are 1 stop or 2 stop difference in terms of decreasing the intensity of the light, and then you can also have flags that are made out of silk. Now a flag like this one, for example, this is heat resistant flag. So the material that this is made out of, you can put this directly in front of a light and this will not catch a fire. However, the flags that are made out of duvetine, those in front of a light fixture, you definitely will get some burning coming out of those. Like this flag, for example. This fabric here, this duvetine material, this will definitely catch a fire. Now, this is actually a unique 4x4 in that it has Velcro at the bottom of it and Velcro on this side. This is because this is not just a regular flag, this is actually a floppy. So you Velcro this on, or you take it off, and then this part actually drops down. So then you have 48 on one side and 48 on the next side. Now this is a bottom hinge floppy. It can also be top hinged as well, where the Velcro would then be on the other side, and then this fabric will be on the top. So this comes in 2 variations, top hinge or bottom hinge, and this is a floppy. Now, in a nutshell, that is it in terms of flags. Just remember, you have 2x3, 4x4, and they're there as lighting control for your lights. Now that's it on the 4x4 flags. And thank you for staying tuned. Now remember, you can follow us on anything 13. That's 13 Degrees North Rentals or 13 Degrees North Productions, and on Facebook, 13 Degrees North. Or you can follow me personally at the Caribbean Gaffer on IG. But thank you for tuning in, and remember to like and subscribe on this YouTube channel. But until next time, remember, this is How To.